Gin and Dubonnet. Queen Elizabeth II drank one of these every single day before lunch for most of her adult life. 2 parts Dubonnet, 1 part gin, 2 ice cubes, a lemon slice. Her mother introduced her to Dubonnet in the 1940s and she never stopped. When her doctors advised her to cut back in her final years, she was in her 90s and had earned every single one. The most faithfully kept daily cocktail ritual in the history of any monarchy. 4 things: Dubonnet Rouge, London Dry Gin, a couple of ice cubes, and a lemon slice. The Queen kept it simple her entire life. 2 ounces of Dubonnet Rouge. This is the centerpiece, a French fortified wine aperitif, dark ruby red, made with wine, liqueur, and quinine. Sweet, slightly bitter, faintly herbal. It's been made since the 1840s, originally created so French Foreign Legion soldiers would take their malaria medication without fussing. The quinine was the medicine. The wine made it palatable. The Queen's mother found it and brought it home. You can almost taste the history. 1 ounce of London Dry Gin. The Queen reportedly favored Gordon's, historically appropriate since Gordon's held a royal warrant for decades. Tanqueray is the cleaner modern pick. Beefeater works well too. The gin cuts the Dubonnet's sweetness and adds the botanical depth that keeps the drink from feeling like dessert. 2 ice cubes. Not a full glass of crushed ice, just 2, and a thin lemon slice laid on top, not squeezed. The ritual mattered as much as the recipe. Same measures, same time every day, crystal glassware always. Use the best glass you have. 2 ice cubes in the glass first. Pour the Dubonnet over them, then the gin. A thin lemon slice on the surface. Just rest it there. Don't squeeze. 1 gentle stir, or none at all. That's the Queen's gin and Dubonnet. No technique to improve on. You just make it the same way, every single time. The gin and Dubonnet is sweet and slightly bitter up front, botanical and clean from the gin, with a faint quinine depth that makes it feel like something serious. Light, low alcohol by modern standards, and absolutely correct before a meal. Queen Elizabeth II lived to 96. She had roughly 70 years of these. Draw your own conclusions. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.